Hello traders, short little video here again on the S&P 500. I want to start this video by just saying that this is not my concept. All I show you here is learned by my mentor, ICT. So I don't take any credit for using the words and ideas. I'm just a developing student trying to inspire maybe other ICT students to what I see in price using the concepts from the mentorship. So we are looking at a 45-minute chart here. Why a 45-minute? Well, nothing special about it. It just shows the market structure here that I want to show you what I see. So had a few annotations here. um, Price yesterday consolidating here, high impact news breaking out on this weekly sell side pool here. So sell side liquidity is swept. In my previous video from yesterday, I went long here and was aiming for this high here. This farewell gap here explains the reason why price reversed here. So easy to say afterwards, but hey, I'm not gonna be perfect. Anyway, when price breaks out on this weekly sell side pool here, think of the breakout and revert to buy side versus the breakout pullback continuation. What I can see here is we have a breakout, a pullback into this farewell gap, into this original consolidation here, equal highs here. So pretty obvious liquidity up here, right? And then during the day, price continues lower. So we have a raid on this sell side pool here during the Asian session tonight, or from this night. New day starts here, 6 o'clock. So I'm not super interested in trading index in the London session. We also had medium impact news this afternoon, so I wasn't interested in the London session here, but what happened during the Asia is pretty important to me because price is trading below this low here, sell side pool here, and then breaking market structure here, swing high here. I see this as a intermediate term high, rebalancing this farewell gap here. So we had a little bit more of a stronger market structure shift or break here regarding we're looking at the 45-minute chart. And the London puts in a high here, so I wanna go down to a 5-minute chart to show some executions and why my long or what my long was framed on. Okay, so we are looking at the 5-minute chart here. I knew from the calendar we had medium impact news, and important here is that I know we had a little bit more of a stronger market structure break down here after taking out this old low. So I'm going with in the session with a bullish bias. So I'm going to show you some annotations here. London session puts in a high here, and we also have some clear equal highs here. In the beginning of the session, they took down price lower, put in a low here, so sell stops, also trading down into this down close candle here. Short little shift here, 5-minute swing, farewell gap, and this is prior to the equities open and the news, so I wasn't really interested to execute some trades. I was waiting for the news, So when price and equity has opened, we have a impulsive run above this high here. Many times I see this, or in the beginning at least, I was looking to see a reversal here to continue lower, but I know from the high time frames that I just explained for you, we had a little bit more of a, let's say, stronger market structure shift down here after taking out weekly sell side and this all low here. So I'm going in with the expectation of this price gonna run into these highs here. I took partials here and unfortunately get stopped out here. I was a little bit too greedy with my stop loss, putting it right below this low here, coming down to this imbalance here, and the lunch hour swing stopped me out. So I'm not gonna be perfect all the time, but I think price gonna reach for these highs here. But anyway, back to the execution. Price coming down, taking out this low here. So we have a sell side pull. Whoops. Sell side pull. Trades through it once more. Shift here. Comes back down to the fair value gap here. Sending price higher. So in this price range here, from this low here to here, this becomes my dealing range. I bought this fair value gap here, dipping down right below this line here, which represent the 50% of this low to this high. Not perfect entry, but you know, not gonna be perfect all the time. And then I took partials about this high here and get stopped out here. Gonna see here. Here we have my executions and both 3 contracts here, selling back 2 of them here, and was a little bit greedy with my stop loss here. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.